1 second, I'm taking images and this is not happening. Why? 1 second, I'll download the image. One second. Uh, it is in process. Wait a second. We'll take it. Mhm. 1 second. I'll share again. Okay. Yeah. So, okay. So we'll learn crop tool. What is crop tool? So while learning crop tool, we are using these tools also. Okay. So what's happening? Okay. So what is crop tool and what are the features of crop tool? If I click over here, so I came to crop tool. Okay. I clicked and all these points are active now over here. If I want to crop this much image, okay, I'm taking like this, like this and like this. So if I press enter, see what is it is doing? It is copying everything. जो हमारे पिक्सेलेट थे भी पिक्सेलेट थी इमेज जो हमने एक पेज लिया था उसने वो भी क्रॉप कर दिया. ओके. If I want again my same image, I'll do undo. So undo, for undo, we do Control Z. So I'm moving my panel over here. So can you see how we crop? In our mobiles also, there are crop tools and you can crop easily. So here are some features of crop tool like this and you press enter. So automatically it will give like this. Now, if I want some space over here, okay, I want to add some new things or something I want. So what I will do, okay, first we will see ratio. What is ratio? There are presets over here given. So original ratio, 1.1 ratio. So what is original ratio? If I clicked, so it has given all 3 points. So what happened? It will give you, if I'm cropping this, it is going to ratio. See, वो एक रेशियो में क्रॉप्ड हो रहा है. ठीक है. इफ आई केम टू नॉर्मल रेशियो, सी जैसे मैं चाहूंगी वैसे वो क्रॉप होगा. हाउ वी वांट इट विल क्रॉप एज पर आवर नीड. ओके, आई एम डूइंग अनडू. I am doing undo. Okay, I came to move tool. See, as per this it has cropped. Now I have done undo, Control Z. Again I am coming to crop tool. So if I want square, so it will only give a square wala thing. See, it will crop. This use for your Instagram post or so Facebook DP. It helpful for this. So if I'll do crop, it will show me in square only. Now I'm going again to ratio. So back to normal. How I want ratio, it will go like this only. I'm doing Control Z, can enter, Control Z. See, I came to ratio. Again, I have taken crop to. So like this, it will show you. Now, here you will, I'm clear. Clear means back to things. You want to clear previous one, so you can do clear. Now, you will see this checkbox, straighten. What is straighten? What is the important of straighten? For example, this button is unchecked. Now I'm clicking this button. Previously it was unchecked. When you will check your software, usme you will see it has no check. Now I'm giving check. And what I am doing, what is straightener? Okay. We'll take another image and I'll tell you what is straightener. Okay. Got this. Okay. So we'll take a good image. Mhm. Okay. We'll take this image. Okay. I'm downloading. Wait a second. This is very high quality image. So processing, it will take time, just 2 minutes. Mhm. Yeah, it's came here. So I'm going to move to and previous one will go to. Okay. Now this image I have taken. Now what I am doing? Transforming. So for transform, when you will press Control T, so it called transform. So you will press Control T, so it will come like this board. Then you can move easily. You want to do small or big, and then you can check it. So it will come like this. Okay. So what I have done, this is very zigzag. Okay. I'm going on crop tool. Okay. One more thing. If I'm on move tool, so you will not see the crop tool features over here. You will see move tool features. If I went to crop tool, then you will see the features. Now what I am doing, I am putting checkbox on straight. Now I want this part should be a straight like this. So I have dragged and I have removed the cursor. What previously our image was like this. Okay. Again I am showing. Previously my image was like this. Okay. Control Z. I am doing clear. Now again I am putting checkbox over here. Now this. Okay. Control T. I want this should be a straight. I have drag and now releasing the mouse. So what now I'm pressing this checkbox or you can press enter. See what this image did straights some part. Okay. So when if you use for example this feature used in photography. For example you have taken some photography click some pictures and pictures got some tilt or you don't like the backside wala thing and there are some error or you have some different lines it's coming you want straight line or you want tilt line then this feature is very useful straighten. Okay, so it used for like this. So hope you understand these two features the ratio part I have shown and this straighten. Clear means I have cleared. I am back to my uh, normal tool now. Like I'm on crop tool, but I'm not using any features. Okay. Now, now over you will come here. Here are some presets. Rule of third. What is rule of third? Grids, diagonal, triangle, golden ratio. So always show overlay. So rule of third, if I have clicked over here, this is for I have taken a grid. So it will create a good grid like this. So if you're using again same in photography, for example, I want this part. Okay, so I'm cropping this. I want this. I want this part, and I want only this much part. I'm putting checkbox over here. See. So what it is doing? It is doing a grid. Okay. So there are different types of grid. I'm clearing all the things. Now I'm back to my this thing. So there are many types of grid triangles, for example. See. So it will show you in triangle form like this. Then, oops, see. So it came to rule of third. I want only this much part. So it will be like this. For example, I want this sun thing. Okay. I'm cropping this. One second. This much part and I'm pressing enter. See what it did. It cropped my tool and it focusing on this in a grid form. Okay. Now here we come. Why this? Okay. Now here we come delete and crop pixel. What is delete and crop pixel? Again, there is no check. Okay. There is no check. And here if I put check. Okay. I'm putting checkbox over here. Now, what I'm doing, I'm doing crop. Okay, I want to crop my tool like this, like this, like this, and like this. I'm pressing enter. This checkbox is uh, there. Okay. Now what? If you want previous wala thing, it won't show you. Okay. Once you have save in JPG, then this will not show you again. If you want extra image, I'm doing undo now. Right now I'm doing undo. Okay. I want whole image. But what I did, I'm again going on crop tool. What I did, I want only this much of image. Okay. I want this much. What I did, I have cropped this much and this much. Okay. Check is still there. And once you have save, it will not go back to your previous wala thing. And if you save, right now we are not saving because फिर मुझे image इतना ही मिलेगा. So I'm doing undo and over here clear and this thing. So if you are sure, if your editing part is completed, you want this much part, and you're final, okay, I want this much, then if needed, you can check this and you can save. After saving, the crop image will be not your original picture. It is once it's crop. So always while using, if it's necessary, then only use this delete crop and pixel. Okay, now, so I hope you understand all these three features. Now here we will come. Okay, one second. This is content aware. What is content aware? So for example, I have cropped. So we have one more class in detail about content aware. So in that we will learn what is content aware and what is not content aware. So there are clone, content aware, and there are many features. So that time we will learn what is content aware. Right now I'm not teaching this part because we have a special class for this. Maybe next Saturday or next Saturday, depends which tool I'm teaching you. So we have very in detail class. So right now, what are the features? So straightener is a good feature for photography. Then delete checkbox I have shown. There are presets over here also. There are many presets. For example, what is this button? If I want original thing, okay? I have done many things over here. So what if I press, it will come to my back to my original thing. So it goes reverse. If you have worked something and you're thinking, no, I don't want to, just you click this button, it will go to previous thing. Okay. If you check over here, then it will fine. It will go. Okay. Now one more thing. Uh, as we are learning layer panel also. So for example, what I did over here, I did many work. Okay. One second. What I did. And in that, okay, I'm doing my brush small. I have work over here. I have work over here. I have work. I have work. I have work many step by step. And I have not taken any layer panel over here. It's showing over here, but we are learning layer panel in detail, and that time you will get to know. So what is layer panel? And if I don't want to do undo. So what you will do? You will come to file. Okay. Then what you will do? Okay, export journal. I think I have not said the things over here. Okay, and when we will learn this part, content aware wala thing, then I'll just let you know how we edit the image. When we will learn file features, then we will learn, because it thing is that I have done undo with many times. It will not happen. Why? Because there are layer panels. When there is no layer panel, that time you can use that features. So when we are learning content, that clone tool and content aware, what is content aware and clone tool, that time you will learn that features. But right now the crop tool part is, you can see the crop tool part, like crop tool features, and it's very small too, but I think you should know the details about that, because in this class I don't know how many people are doing photography or something. So those are learning photography and everything. So they'll get to know this features. It is very necessary when you crop the things, and it is very helpful. That is very small tool, but it is very helpful tool. Okay. So in crop tool, you will come to perspective tool. Again, we'll take image. 1 second. It's stopping me. Yeah. Again, I'm coming. I'm taking book image. Nowadays, it is just showing you. Okay. So I have taken this image, copy this image, and I'm deleting. Oops, sorry. Okay. So I'm deleting this image, and I'm back to my move tool, and I'm doing control V. Okay. Now you want to do image big, then just control T as I told you, like this. Okay. Now I'm pressing enter. So in that there is a perspective tool. This tool is used for mostly for document. If you have pictures, click the pictures for document. थोड़ा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा हो गया. Nowadays in mobile also there are features, but just for if you're doing any brochure designing or something, then this is very helpful tool, or you're editing this part. If I want only this single page, okay, I want this part over here, then it is very helpful for by perspective tool. You can crop the image like this. I want, press the enter button, see, so it will come like this. So hope you understand the crop tool. This is very small tool, but it is very helpful. So over here you will come. So you have some features. So it's same, nothing big in that. I have cleared. So if you will come to crop tool, there are different features. Okay. So small, I'll show you what is content aware over here. See, I have checked this. Okay. Now what I am doing, content aware, I have checked. Okay. I want this image should be over here. Okay, for example, I did like this. Okay, I have just like this. I have cropped, and I have cropped this image. Now I'm pressing enter, or I'm checking this part. See what it did, it cropped, but there is a difference. It has cropped. बट इफ आई वांट सम मोर इमेज, लाइक ऊपर में मेरा स्पेस खाली था, लेकिन उसने क्या किया, बुक को पूरा फिल कर दिया. सो व्हाट कंटेंट अवेयर डू दिस इज was unchecked, I am giving check. So always remember, is check or uncheck. Always see while using, if you are using any tool, first see it is necessary, then only use that tool. Otherwise it is not necessary, then please remove the check button. Okay, if it necessary, then only you use that thing. I hope you understand that small crop tool. We have nowadays very smartphones and in that also, but you do photography, so you need good editing part and everything, which phone cannot do. But obviously, those are learning for photography. This software, they should know what is editing part and this part. Okay. So I hope you understand crop tool. So please everyone, can you thumbs up you understand the crop tool, then we'll move further to layer panels. Okay, then I'll further to next tool, layer panel. So I'm deleting this. Okay, so I'm on new file, open. Mm, One second, cancel. I'm canceling this software. No, I don't want. Okay, again, I'm going to Photoshop. 1 second. This features I didn't want. Okay, so opening again my Photoshop. Oops. So sorry, my laptop was got. I'm sharing. Okay, so I'm taking this image. This is very, very important. Oops, what's happening? 1 second, my laptop got hang. Okay, so layer panel is very important. Okay, so please pay attention. If anyone don't understand, in last 15 minutes we'll discuss. But okay, so today's focus on this layer panel. Okay, this all features we are learning over here. So I'll put layer panel over here only. So you'll get to know what is layer panel and what is not. Okay, but why my screen is not showing? 1 second, guys. My Photoshop has hanged.
Hi everyone. We'll be taking a small break. You can take like 5 minutes. I think some issue is going on with the network for the host. So we'll take a 5 minute break and we'll get back. Don't disconnect the meeting. Okay, so it will be continuing and you can just join the meeting in 5 minutes itself. I'll just put the timer also so you can join like after 5 minutes.